Alright, so what do I got going here? I wanted to make a video about this because nobody in the world that I can see has made a video about this. So on my 2007 Nissan Murano, all-wheel drive S, doesn't matter. My 2007 Nissan Murano. I think it's the last year that's like this. I'll show you what I got here. So I've taken off this top latch. Sorry for the mess in here. Right? Now, some guides will tell you to take this latch off the center console. That you're going to have to take off the hinge, and then you'll have take off the little latch, and then you'll have access to this. That's not necessarily true. Like when you lift up the center console, you can see these two screw points right here and right here, and then it's just a matter of these kind of they like hook in, so you got to kind of pry and lift them out, like scoop them out, and like, you know, like a swooping action. Now I did all this the hard way so that you don't have to make the mistakes I made. So I thought I had to take off these metal tabs and take off this plate to get to whatever. That's not true. Don't do that. There's 3 tabs that's supposed to go here. I broke them. Whatever. There's really strong glue on here, so that should hold anyway. Not a big deal. Anyway. So right here there's these little boxes. And you see these little slots? That's to give you access to pinch them. I use needle nose pliers to pinch them. Right here. On this side. And this side, right? There might be better pliers for that. But what I noticed is they sit in here like this. This little back end, when you push it down, you can tell that that back end pokes out right there. And this triangular scoop side, this arch side that comes out, that's what the catch that faces this way, right? So this will release from the doors that open this way and that way on top, because it's a dual top, right? Now when I got this off, this side was on this one, and this side, the left side, right here, facing this, left side facing, this would be like the front of the car, right? Doesn't really matter right now, but this was the one that was broken. So you can see that there's no arch there, and when you push back, that's broken. But this was on this side. Now to get this off, right here, you can see where it grips, and then on this side it grips. But there's a little relief groove right here, and you can get a tool in there. I use needle nose, but I actually ended up cracking this one, so you can see where I broke it, right? A little bit of super glue or JB Weld, that'll be fine. Or I could, when I go to the junkyard to get another one of these, I might even be able to get the same one. But what my point is, I was so concerned about whether it be left side or right side, and it turns out when you take these caps off, it doesn't matter. You can put them on either side. You can put them on the left side or the right side, because the internal mechanism is the same either way. So instead of going to eBay and paying $45 plus for one of these, or $80 plus, $60, $80 plus for the whole unit, you can literally take these 2 screws off, there and there, pop it out. There might be coffee or something in there that's making it sticky. I had to take a razor blade right here. There was somebody had glue in there, or right here. You can see the mark kind of. And you just pop it off, and then you come down here, pinch that off, and push it forward to where it comes out. It comes out the top here. You pinch and push. I would be kind of gentle. And if you're really smart, you'll put some cleaner or something on it first, like vinyl cleaner or soap and water. Pop them out. Pry the little cap off from the relief groove, right there. See if I get some better light. Right there, there's a little relief groove. And then you can just replace it, and that's it. Put it all back together. And you really don't absolutely need to take the whole hinge off with 16 billion screws. So, my loss is your gain. Save you some time, save you some money. Hope that helps.